we're going to learn the most used word in Thai language. And that word is dio. All right? Okay. Dio means hold on. Wait a minute. In a little bit. Soon. Hold your horses. Enough talk. Let's go. You use it when you're not ready to give the answer. When they ask you something and they expect the answer right away, but you type of person that you want to just wait a little bit and just give them the answer on your own time, on your own term. How do you say it? Dio, right there. Dio. Okay? And I'm going to teach you how to use it. You're going to be using it a lot. And you're going to be hearing it a lot. This is a word that most people don't really talk about or teach you about it because it's just one of those things that is a second nature. It's become a part of your conversation without even having to think about it. For example, you're doing something very important and all of a sudden your phone rings. And I'm like, oh God, man. It's like, I don't want to talk to this guy right now. You answer the phone and you tell him, I'll call you back. It's Dio To Glap. Dio To Glap means I will return your call later. Next one. So someone asks you to do something and you feel like you don't want to do it. You're kind of lazy, but you do it later. I will do it later. Dio Khoi Tam. Dio Khoi Tam. Dio Khoi Tam means I'll do it later. Don't rush me. Next one. We'll talk later. You don't want to talk about it right now because you're in front of other people and you want to talk about something in private. And you say, well, we'll talk later. Dio Khoi Kui. Dio Khoi Kui means we'll talk later. Okay? Not right now. You do it on your own time. You do it on your own term. Dio Khoi Kui means we'll talk later. Okay, another one. This one means hold on a moment. Dio Gone. Dio Gone. Dio Gone means just hold on a moment. And just say if they're saying something, you just want to interrupt them. Or you say Dio Gone. Or you can use it in an action. They want you to do something, but you feel like you don't want to do it right now. Just tell them to wait. Dio Gone. And they'll understand. Okay? Just say, you don't want to eat right now, but do you eat later? Dio Khoi Gin means I'll eat later. Dio Khoi Gin. Next one. You at the party. You don't feel like you want to go home right now. You're still having fun. Oh, I'll go back later. Dio Khoi Glap. Dio Khoi Glap. Dio Khoi Glap means I'll go back later. I'll go back to the hotel later. You can go ahead if you want to, but I'm going to take my time. Dio Khoi Glap. Dio in the sense of wait, hold on, wait a minute, right? In a moment, soon, okay? But now, the same word, Dio, can mean immediate action as well. It depends on how you want to use this word. It's interchangeable. You can use it both ways. For example, right now, I want it done right now. Dio Ni. Dio Ni means right now. I want it done right now. Just say you order a bag and they just called you like, hey, your bag is ready. You say, okay, I'm coming right now to get it. Dio Pai Ao. Dio Pai Ao means I'm coming to get it right now. Or I'll be right back. Dio Ma. Dio Ma means I'll be back. Just sit there, sit tight. I'll be back in a minute. Dio Ma. Okay, next one. You're supposed to go to a party and you're on the way to the party and they call you. They keep calling you like, oh, where you at, man? I'll get there soon. I'll arrive soon. I'll be there. Just hold on. Dio Go Tung. Dio Go Tung means I will arrive soon. I'll be there soon. Just hold on. The traffic is bad. This is Thailand, man. I will be there. Dio Go Tung means within a couple minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Dio Go Tung. Another one. Just say they want you to make a decision on something. You're at the market. They're like, okay, which one do you want? This shirt or this shirt? You don't like any of them. And you can tell them, Dio Kit Gone means I'll think about it. Dio Kit Gone. Now, another one is, just say you made a friend in Thailand and you call them and say, hey, what are you doing? And they're like, oh, I was just, hanging out. So you want to hang out with them too. You can tell them, I'll go and meet you there. It's Dio Pai Ha. Dio Pai Ha means I'll go and meet you there. Just hold on. I'm on my way right now. Dio Pai Ha. Okay? They'll wait for you. But you have to go though. You can't just tell them that, oh, okay, I'm gonna go see you, and then you just ditch them. Hey, it doesn't work that way. Okay. don't be like me. เดี๋ยวไปหา means I'll be there in a bit. Another one is I'll make a decision soon. Is เดี๋ยวตัดสินใจเดี๋ยวตัดสินใจ means I'll make a decision soon. Give me some time to think about it. Another one is you see someone struggling doing something, I don't know, and you want to step in and help. Is เดี๋ยวช่วย means I'll help you. Just hold on. Just stop whatever you're doing. You messing it up. Okay? Let me help you. เดี๋ยวช่วย means I'll help you in a bit. Next one is I'll take care of it. Just hold on. I'll take care of it. Is เดี๋ยวจัดการเดี๋ยวจัดการ means I'll take care of it. I'll handle it. Don't worry about it. That's a different way how to use the word เดี๋ยว. It's a very common, most used word in Thailand. You can use it both ways. Either make them wait because you want to take your time, or you want to do it right now. It's good to know about it because you're going to be using it a lot. If you have any question, I know it's confusing. I try to, find the easiest way to teach you guys this stuff. But if you have any question, just leave it down in the comment and I'll answer back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? My name is Bodo, and I'll see you soon.